All right, what is up, everyone? Raf here from Everline Automations, and today we have a little educational video. So what I'm going to be diving into is basically the concept of artificial intelligence, the components of it, and how we can apply them into our businesses to basically just improve and scale our businesses. Now, a little introduction on artificial intelligence, also shortly known as AI. So it is a simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. And so basically, it's all human knowledge combined into a single algorithm, a single computer, and in a single system. And basically, just what it does is it's like above human, in my opinion, knowledge-wise. But yeah. And so let's look a bit at the capabilities of AI systems. So it allows systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, and problem solving, and obviously some business solving problems, which we'll dive deeper into later on. Now, the global impact of AI, obviously everyone has heard of AI, if it's from ChatGPT or some chatbots, or even for Siri is a sort of artificial intelligence that can listen to you, search the web, and respond to you. So AI is transforming industries globally by enabling automation, enhancing decision-making, and creating new business opportunities. So a large amount of businesses are actually investing in AI, especially the big tech companies such as, let's just say, Meta, Google, and especially NVIDIA. They have all recently invested a big amount of money into AI infrastructures. So kind of like factories that contain the processors and all the systems and the computers for these AIs, and they are going to kind of like scale it globally and basically just take over with AI. So the AI race is kind of starting, and other businesses will be hopping on it as well. Now, the significance of AI in efficiency. So its significance lies in improving efficiency, reducing operational costs, and fostering innovation across diverse sectors. And we're also going to be getting into the efficiency of AI in businesses later in the video. So the role of AI in business: artificial intelligence enhances decision making and creates business opportunities across various industries. So let's get more into that. Just to dive down, let's look at the main components of artificial intelligence. So let's look at the first component, which is ML, also known as machine learning. So algorithms that enable systems to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. So what I mean by that, machine learning, is that it's kind of like a basketball player as well. You give him the fundamental skills, and then it's up to him to, in different game situations and stuff like that, they're forced to improve to up their game. Now, let's get into NLP, so natural language processing, so techniques that allow computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. So basically, there's this kind of like processing that is going through the back end of in a sort of script. So the human language is transcribed into script form, and then the AI reads it in that script form and then spits out an answer in that script form, and then the script form transform into human language. So that's literally just the processing of it simplified, but all that is done in a few milliseconds. Now, computer vision. So the ability for machines to interpret and analyze visual information from the world, such as images and videos. So you see different types of AI image generators or AI video generators. Or we can even look at a very, very cool example. You guys have probably heard about the Meta glasses. So they are actual prescribed glasses that you can wear with kind of like a camera lens, and everything that you have around you, you can ask the AI, let's just say, oh, what am I looking at right now? And it's going to say you are looking at a car. Then it's going to give you the model, everything like that. So this type of computer vision type of thing is really improving in the past few years, I'd say, and it's just going to keep on getting better and better. Also, in another way, this removes some of our privacy, but that is something kind of like negative, but that is something for another video as well. So the integration of AI with physical machines to perform tasks almost automatically or semi-automatically. So I'm just going to be giving you guys some brief industries in which we can apply and use AI. These are just going to be kind of like summarized, just giving you guys key points. Obviously, AI is applicable in probably any industry. You just have to find a good place for it. But yeah, let's just get into it. So for healthcare applications, we could have diagnostic tools, personalized treatment plans, and predictive analytics for patient outcomes. For customer service applications, we could have chatbots and virtual assistants for response times and handle routine inquiries. And we can also get into the voice service. And so instead of chatbots, it can actually just be voice agents, voice assistants that you can talk to over the phone that are also AI and can do the same thing as a chatbot. Now, let's get into the finance applications. So fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer risk assessments. You can also do, budget planning, etc. And now manufacturing applications, so you can have predictive maintenance, quality control, and automation of production processes. If you want to implement AI into a business, you have to take these 5 steps to evaluate where and why do you need AI. So identify beneficial business processes. So identifying business processes that can benefit from automation or enhance analytics. Let's just say, for example, we take a law firm. A law firm, they have clients that come in needing either a consultation or they need a direct emergency. They need help like immediately. So if you want to identify beneficial business processes and you're like, oh, so as a business owner, like I take a lot of time responding to leads and having to manage all these things and these appointments and these bookings. And so you can look at that and say, well, there's definitely a way AI can simplify these things. So now you're onto the point that you have to select an appropriate AI technology aligned with those specific business goals. And so obviously that can take research, or you can hire companies such as Airline Automations, which is the company that I own. And so we as an agency for AI, we actually help you do step 1 and identify the processes. We actually kind of do it for you. But yeah, so now next step, you have to prepare and manage your data quality. So prepare and managing your data quality to train the AI models effectively. So the AI models get trained based on a knowledge base, which is what we call. It's kind of like their brain and their start off knowledge. Obviously, you can give them access to the entire web, but that's a bit more complex. Now, fourthly, develop or partner for the deployment. So developing or partnering for AI solution deployment, including staff training and change management. So as we said before, you can partner to deploy and more. And now, obviously, the most important part that you have to do, either as a business that's using AI or as an AI agency, is to monitor and improve the performance of the AI. So continuously monitoring performance and making improvements to ensure efficiency gains. So let's just say that the bookings, so let's just say that the booking rates went down for the law firm when I put in place the AI voice receptionist. And so let's just say in the law firm example that I was talking about earlier, let's just say we installed a voice agent that takes care of lead collection. So it collects their name, their phone, email, etc. And it can also book a consultation. all through phone. So let's just say that the booking rate actually went down. So with our analytics, we realized that the lead and the appointment bookings actually went down. And so we go back into the system and we look for improvements. So is the AI talking too much? Is it too long? Is it unclear? So we make those changes and we see improvement. So guys, that is it for this quick video today. I hope you guys learned something new from this, either as a business owner, as a normal day-to-day person, or as an AI agency owner. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a great day.